Jopuonj kod jotije mbalariany mag piny owacho onyono kar tiendgi ni ng'anyo margi pod dhi nyime nyaka chieng' giyud duoko makare e kindgi kod sirikal. Ka giloso tok romo kod jatend migawo mar jotije Alfred Mutua, jotelo mag riwruogego wacho ni gibiro lando ni gichungo ng'anyo mana ka sirikal osetimo dwaro margi. Oyangore ni giwinjore mar chuga put madhi twak e wi yo ma jotijego biro dokgo e tich.
We have not really pinpointed out 1, 2, 3 that needs to be done. But what we've agreed is this. We have formed an interministerial negotiating committee that will be led by my Ministry of Labour, together with the Ministry of Education, with the Ministry of in charge of Treasury, with the Attorney General's Office, with the Commission in charge of salaries, SRC, with the State Department, State Agency in charge of parastatals and others, and also with, I think that's it from our end. And then we'll have the employers, the body in charge of employment of university staff.
By tomorrow, we sit and look at what it is that we call in labor the low-hanging fruits. If those low-hanging fruits are agreeable, then it is possible for us to go ahead and perhaps look at ending the impasses, so that then whatever remains for the long term, that team that will have been formed can continue negotiating.
Strike until we strike a deal. Once we strike a deal, I will tell you when to resume duty. So, you are the ones who came up with the motto. Let us live to our motto.